Ever watched a YouTube or a TikTok video and you saw a countdown timer that built suspense and added urgency to a video? Wait, do you know you can do the same thing? Watch this video to the end and I will teach you exactly 2 ways you can add a countdown to your video like a pro with just your phone and the CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Creating, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you exactly how you can add a pro timer in your video. I've been getting a lot of message lately. How do I have timer in my video? How do I have timer in my video? And here's me right now teaching you the step-by-step process on how you can add a pro timer in your video. So right now, go straight to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut. But if you already do, let's get started. So I'll continue from here. You enter your CapCut app. Once you're in your CapCut app, what do? If you already have a project you are editing, good and fine. But if you don't, you start a new project. So you select the clip you want to edit. You want to add your timer to. So let's say you want to add the timer to this video right here.
Hey guys,
you add your video to your timeline. So once your video is now in your timeline, since I want to teach you how to add timer, let me take down this volume first. So right now the video is in your timeline. I'm gonna be teaching you 2 possible ways you can add timer to your video. So watch this video till the end so you can get the step-by-step process on how to do so. So the first step I'll be showing you is you go straight to your text. After tapping your text, you say add text. So you add your text. You want to style your time. How do you want it? Is it from 30 minutes downward, or from 1 hour downward, or for 15 minutes downward? So you choose how do you want your timer to be. So for this tutorial, I will prefer 10 minutes. So you say 10 minutes. This is how you put 10 minutes. Then the next thing you do, you want to select your font. Which font do you want to be using for this? There's italic, there's rubric, there's lacking. So I think I'll go with this lacking. Then after selecting your timer, you choose your size. How do you want it to be on the video? Do you want it to be very big or small? So then you position it. Where do you want it to be? So let's say we want the timer to be at this point here. So once the timer is over here, then after clicking the check mark, you want to extend the timer exactly where you want it to end. If you want it to end at the end of this video, good and fine. But if you see this video is more than 10 minutes, either you want to cut the video at 10 minutes or you want to cut your timer to be exactly 10 minutes. So for the sake of this video, I want to cut the timer and I want to cut the video, so both of them will be in the same pace, 10 minutes each, so the timer can flow accordingly. So we want to split the down as well. Then we delete and we delete. So right now both of them are 10 minutes each. So how do you want to animate your timer? How you set your timer as a pro? Once you already increase the timeline of the time, what you do every 1 minute. And at this point, the whole process is entirely seamless. All you have to do is just split, re-edit, drag. This whole process is just to make sure you follow the timing exactly, so you don't miss minute by minute. Any mistake you make over here will automatically make the time you are expecting the next minute to change will not change. So it's a consecutive time that once you will time yourself. Once 1 minute pass, you just split, re-edit. So if it's 0.6, when you split, you re-edit, you put 0.5, and that's it. That's how you continue the whole process. I just really want it to count from 10 down to 0. So you see the whole process, how you can add timer to your video. It's timer tutorial, of course, so it's good you show the entire process of how it's done. If not, I would have done a lot of splitting and deleting on this video. So but since it's for the tutorial, so those who are very interested to know how to add timer in their video can get the whole process. And after this stage, I will be showing you the part 2, the other step you can also add timer in your video, very seamless and clean. If you have any question, feel free to leave it on the comment section so I can respond to you. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end. With that, you get something like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom. So you see, that's how you add timer to your video. And the next tips I will be teaching you to add an overlay timer to your video. So now the second way you can also add timer. Now you want to download those already made clip that you see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. But where do you find them? So in the next part of this video, you want to go to TikTok and download any countdown video you like there and just overlay it into your videos. The next thing you want to do, you just want to import the clip like this. Just resize it so you can put it in any angle, and that's it. So look at what we got. 9, 8, 7. You want to, let's reduce the speed of this video so that it will be long enough. So, and that's it. So you just learn how to add countdown timer in your video. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our video. This is Create with Fresh. See you on the next one. Bye.